Okay, so here's just a brief tour of our office in Copenhagen. So as you can see on the logo, this is my office, and as you can see, we have plenty of space to do meetings here in this office. So what I'll do is just show you the rest of the office. Right now, people has gone home, so it's rather late. But as you can see here, this is where people normally have lunch. Then we're gonna go to another section of the office, so you get an idea of where we're having our meetings, if you one day might like to join us. So now just give it a spin here. So this is generally where we do internal meetings, custom meetings, investor